Hello everyone. So I'm Nandini from CAD NEST RR Nagar. So in today's session we'll be learning how to use the draw tool which involves line, polyline and circle. So we'll just check out these three tools. The first thing is line command. Either you can take up line command and then start drawing. Like this, or you have a shortcut that is L enter. Will be in the line command. So you can see I am just drawing the line terms. Okay, now since I need exactly the perpendicular lines, I am just turning on the ortho. So ortho, it is here. This is ortho mode off right now and I'll turn it on. So once if I turn on the ortho mode, then take up the line command and then start drawing, you'll be getting it in terms of exactly in 90 degrees. So you'll not be getting any crisscross lines. Okay, so this is how you turn on ortho, and shortcut for ortho it is F8. Now after this, pick up the line command and specify the first point. So obviously first point would be 0, 0, enter. Now you can see my line has been stuck to 0, 0 coordinate. Now for example I need 5 by 5 dimensioned square. So what I'll do, I'll just type 5, enter. Then I'll just move to the topward, 5, enter. Then towards my left, 5, enter, and downwards again 5, enter. Now you can see I have got a square of 5 by 5 side. So this is how you use line command. Now next one we have polyline. Take a polyline and start drawing it. Okay, now I have drawn this using a polyline. See, I'll just select this rectangle. If I select it, you can see all these lines were individual lines which I have drawn from the polyline, but while selecting, everything gets selected as one complete component. So that is why it is called as a polyline. In the same way, if I take up this square and if I select it, you can see I am selecting it individually. So this is the difference between line and the polyline. The complete selection and individual selections are the difference between line and polyline. And then next we have circle term. So circle, you have it here. Just drag this, you will be getting around 6 options to draw with the circle term. And shortcut for the circle is C, enter. You will be in circle option. So now take up circle option. First one, it is center and radius. Now specify the center of this. So I'll just specify the center as 15, 15. So this is my center now. After specifying the center, specify radius of the circle. So radius of my circle is around 7.5 meter, enter. So you'll be getting a circle 7.5 meter radius. In the same way, the next one it is, previously we have learnt with circle with the radius. Now we are learning it with circle with diameter. We have circle along dia. So now specify the center, taking the center point of a circle as 50, 50, enter. And dia of the circle, I'm going to specify it as 15. So dia is 15, enter. Now you can see I have a circle with center and dia of 15 meters. Next I have 2-point circle. So I'll just take up a line command here. So this is the 2 points. In between these 2 points my circle has to fit. So I'll take up circle by 2 point. Now I'm going to specify the first point and the second point. So this is how you draw circle using 2 point. Next, in the same way we have 3 points. So I'll take up 3 point I'll specify 3 different points, 1, 2 and my next term it will be 3. So touching all the 3 points my circle is being created. Next, after this I have tan, and radius. Now what is this tan? Tan is a tangent which touches the circle at only single point. It is just a line. Okay, take up this tan, radius. I am taking the tan as this and then this. So these two will be my tan, and radius of my circle should be around 10. Enter. So see, the circle as well as the rectangle is being touched by the circle that I have created. That is tan, radius. Last one it is tan, and tan, whereas I need 3 tans touching the 3 different circles. So I am going to specify 1, 2 and 3. You can see all the 3 circles having a tangent touches the circle which I have created newly. So this is all about circle terms. So I hope you have understood the command line, polyline and circle in today's session. So in tomorrow's session we will be continuing with the remaining parts here. Thank you.